Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
My dear Vidur, of the two sons, Kashyapa and Purnima, Purnima begot 3 children, namely Viraj, Vishvaga and Devakulya. Of these 3, Devakulya was the water which washed the lotus feet of the personality of Godhead, and which later on transformed into the Ganges of the heavenly planets. Of the 2 sons, Kashyapa and Purnima, herein Purnima's descendants are described. An elaborate description of these descendants will be given in the 6th canto. It is also understood herein that Devakulya is the presiding deity of the river Ganges, which comes down from the heavenly planets to this planet, and is accepted to be sanctified because it touched the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Hari.